Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Coding Icons, and in this video I am going to tell about two opportunities that are coming from Unisys and Autodesk. And if you are from 2021, 2022 or 2023 batch, then you can apply to this opportunity. And the eligible branches are BTech, ME, MTech, and the package would be 5 LPA plus. So you should watch this video till the end so that you can understand what's the opportunity and how you can apply. So let's get started with the video. So as you can see here, I have opened a website of Unisys from where you have to apply for this role, and the role is Associate Engineer Fresher. And here is we are a global information technology company that builds high performance security centric solutions that can help change the world. It means it is all about the Unisys company, so you can read it out from here. If you go down, then here you can see that what success looks like in this role. Then you can see here team member, learning processes and tools, escalate issues as and when required, learning an area of product. So here all things are mentioned. You can read it out without before applying to this company, right? You will be successful in this role if you have computer science engineering undergraduate degree required, right? No experience required, right? Intern COP experience preferred. It means this is for 2022 or 2021 batch. If you are from these two batch, then you can apply to this opportunity. This is also a good opportunity, and its package would be around 5.5 to 6 LPA. So it's a good opportunity to apply if you are from 2021 or 2022 batch, right? So let's go ahead and see next opportunity. Next opportunity is coming from Autodesk Intern Software Engineering, and this opportunity is for 2022 and 2023 batch, right? Position overview: as a software engineering intern, you will join a team developing Autodesk Fusion 360, an innovative cloud connected CAD CAM CAE tool which connects the entire product development process to Autodesk cloud platform, right? So you have to join the team to develop Autodesk Fusion 360, right? Responsibilities will be like design, prototype, implement, test and troubleshoot product feature and cloud workflows to provide a great user experience. Implement, enhance, troubleshoot tools which help boost team productivity. And these all are others responsibilities, so you can read it out from here. If you talk about the minimum qualification, then the minimum qualification is like pursuing bachelor's or master's degree in CS or any engineering discipline from reputed engineering college. A strong C++ knowledge should be present in the student. Well versed with OOAD, good knowledge of data structure, STL, memory management, and willingness and motivation to adapt and learn unfamiliar areas technology. If you don't know about the React, if you don't know about the Angular, then you should have willingness and motivation to adapt the new technology. Excellent written and verbal communication skill you must have. Preferred qualification would be this. So if you are from 2022 and 2023 batch, then you can apply to this opportunity, right? And if you talk about its package, then its package would be good, around 7 to 8 LPA, and they can offer 30 to 50k in the internship, right? So that's it guys, I wanted to tell about these opportunities. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then you must subscribe the channel, right? So let's meet you in the next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care.